So good day. So I did a first video showing you the plants that I was showing you the okras that I planted and how it just started growing. So now I'm showing you the next video that they popped out, and I'm so happy that my okras popped out. So I'm gonna show you this. I'm watering them now. So as you can see, these are the okras. Here more. Now I'm going to need to separate them. So Saturday when I'm not working, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna separate them. The only little problem is that I planted some callaloo here, and I haven't seen them start to rise up. I'm wondering if they're still gonna rise up. I'm wondering if they take long to germinate. Alright, so I gotta be careful where I step. So I'm gonna have to come and transplant, widen out the callaloos, widen out the okras. So I'm gonna just spray them. Of course, I'm gonna sing a little song. Grow okra, grow okra, grow tall, okra, grow okra, grow okra, grow tall, okra, grow okra, grow okra, grow tall, okra, grow okra, grow okra. Grow tall, okra. One name Paul, one name Carl. You can grow so tall. One name Susan, one name Mary, one name Annette, and one name Sarah. Grow tall, grow tall. Grow tall, tall, my okras, my okras. Grow tall, grow tall, grow tall. Grow tall, grow tall. Grow tall, grow tall, grow tall, grow tall, grow tall, grow tall. Okay, I'm tired of singing now. So that's basically it. Watching them. Now this is the thing I have to try. The okras are not coming up, so we need to sing for them. The callaloo, callaloo, can you hear me? Can you grow? Can you push? Oh, callaloo, I still believe you're here, you're there. I still believe you're here and you're there. Don't be afraid to grow tall. I still believe that you can go, no matter if you are small. Push through and fight, my dear callaloo. Push through and fight, my dear callaloo. 'Cause I still believe in you. 'Cause I still believe in you. Push through and grow, my dear callaloo. 'Cause I still believe in you. 'Cause I still believe in you. So that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoy. Please pray that my callaloo comes out. I need greens to eat.